In the Falcon, we're going to go over the application button. It's the first button in the screen, big green button. From here, the very first option is flow control. Under the flow control, the very first button will let you switch from dry gate to liquid gate. The second button is flow control type, constant rate poly, variable rate polygon, or none. If you're running a poly, make sure that you are on constant rate poly. From here, if you're running an IntelliFlow, you're able to select your IntelliFlow, or if you're not, you can select none. Target rate application. If you go below, this is where you can set your gallons for operation. Below this, it will let you know that your IF3 controller is connected, and your controller states self-test is an error. I do not have a valve hooked up to the system, so it'll show error. Below, it will let you know that the Falcon dispersal sensor is not flowing, and your flow control dispersal is not flowing also. The options below are your total area liquid that you can reset, your total volume liquid gives you an option to reset, and your total time of liquid gives you an option to reset. You can also set these as hotkeys on your main screen. From here, the second button is boom dispersal. From here, you would be able to set a auto dispersal in your system. So if you would like to do spray on and off and do auto on and off into the field, you would come in here and set this up, tell it what your swath is, turn your auto on or off, and come in here and set your edge times to what you want those to be. Also from here, if you're running right boom, left boom, or 50 or 60% boom shutoffs, you would be able to see each valve and what their status are. You would be able to click on them, and they would also give you what your restrictions and how you set up your system. Third button on the option is hopper. From here, you would be able to set your hopper load and set a default hopper load. Also, we have started a new option into the Falcon as load counting. You can set your total loads for daily and total loads for year if you would like. And you can set these up as a hotkey on the main screen.